love the aroma of freshly baked bread? Do you dream of making perfectly soft, tasty, and edible bread without all the fuss and fear? Does the idea of hot bread being slathered with creamy butter excite you? If so, then this is the video for you. Whether it's for an Easter brunch, Christmas morning, Thanksgiving, family visits, or weekend prep, this recipe never disappoints. Once you see how simple and fun it can be, all your fearful and daunting misconceptions will be eradicated. It's slightly a long process, but still easy and enjoyable. The first thing I'll do is add the melted butter to the warm water and set aside. In a large mixing bowl or vessel of your choice, combine flour, salt, sugar, and yeast. Next, we'll gradually add the warm water and butter mixture and continue to mix until the dough comes together. Remember the method I usually utilize at this point, the grab and squeeze method. Once we've used up all the water and becomes a shaggy dough, we'll start rolling it around to make it one cohesive ball of dough. Time for the knuckle press method to smoothen the dough. Here the technique is to pull the dough towards you, folding it over itself and pushing out with the heel of your hands, not down. Rotate the dough and repeat. The goal is to make the dough elastic and stretchable without breaking. Cousin Cliff and I have been kneading flour and making bread together for more than 20 years. This year I'm going to teach him some of our new techniques and see how he does. Squeeze like this, squeeze, bring it together.
No, there two fingers.
Now you're going to roll it around. No, you're not folding it in. Just roll it like this.
Only?
Roll it around.
Roll it around, you don't understand English?
Which roll?
Like you're standing in it.
He's doing a good job. Keep moving the bowl. Hold the bowl one place.
Do we have somebody to hold the bowl?
Just holding it like you're holding a bowling ball and you're rolling it around.
That's right.
Where? Like this?
Yeah.
No, you're not spinning it. You're rolling it.
I mean roll. Where's roll?
Like with my hands like this. You see, like you're pretending that your hand is a...
A mixer.
Yeah.
It makes sense, eh?
How do you do that?
It's very simple. What you had to do
Why
more...
you chook it in the middle for? Keep going, right around. You don't chook in the middle.
I like to chook.
No. You're not doing that.
Yeah,
You see how it's coming together now?
He's getting it.
First is the squeezing and then is the rolling. Then you're going to do the knuckle press.
Knuckles, yeah.
Oh, this way. Oh, this way.
Yeah, you're kneading like that.
But that's not pressing. Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
it is. You're right.
A knuckle press?
Look at it.
Knuckle press.
The dough coming just to the right consistency.
Press like this.
Oh, this.
Yeah, now you're going to smoothen the dough.
But I'm sticking.
So if you're sticking, you're going to add a very little bit of flour. You let it rest for 5 minutes to relax, and then we're going to start beating it up again.
So which technique we going to be using?
Not yet. Let me start mixing first.
Hell is this? He's doing it like this. What the shit? Oh God! But pull it, pull it along. Look, he gone back with his nonsense again. You have to go the other way. Look what he's doing.
The other way.
Look what he's doing. Look what he's doing. He rolls now.
I like to roll.
He looks like he's a good roller.
Lord have mercy.
And Paul.
This man
And Paul.
Oh, I didn't teach you any of this technique.
Look. No, the other way now. The other side.
Which other?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, that's way, yeah.
The other side, say the other.
And you pull.
You pull in and then you push.
And then you push.
And flip it the other side. Yeah. Now you have to do this for 10 more minutes.
At the pool?
Because what you do
And
so
then-
far, yeah, you have to. Now, you go be a
For
new.
10.
You go be a new. They go censor this boy. Yeah, just push and pull. They just say,
I don't know if we're getting bread in the morning.
no, this. No.
I think you will.
This is going to be soft.
Just do your rolling method. Do your rolling.
It's still a little soft, eh?
It's good. Soft is good.
Soft is good?
Yeah. I don't know what kind of roll is that, but we're gonna roll with it.
You look like a,
Good lower.
Swiss roll.
Choking it.
Doesn't look like a baby's mom yet. That's how you. That's how it's supposed to end up.
It just looked like his bum right here.
That's a big.
Hey, how you know my Bob look like?
Because when he was getting up just now from the sofa, we see
Oh
everything.
Lord.
He's scarred for life.
Nice. Like Play-Doh. We do Play-Doh.
He did whatever he wanted
No,
to do.
it's coming. It's coming. It's coming.
know my stuff.
I like
See how
how
good
when
it's
you
been?
do the two hands there, that looks good.
Yeah, see that?
Yeah, look at
New
that.
technique, new technique.
I created it. How many years you doing bread with this girl? I
20
would like to
years.
know. And you still have to get instruction.
No, but she wanted to be the special push and pull technique.
Oh, you never do push and pull before?
There is a different kind of technique.
Oh, I got it.
Form the dough into a ball, coat lightly with oil and place the dough back into the bowl. Cover with plastic wrap or a moist kitchen towel or paper towel and set in a warm place until the dough doubles in size about 1 to 2 hours, depending on the room temperature and type of yeast used.
Yes.
Oh.
That, we're not rolling it.
Alright, then make the rectangle out of that.
Rectangle? How is that? 4 equals height? No. 2 equals height?
What you doing? A
You say-
rectangle is a rectangle.
What do you mean, open it up some more?
So what do you think is a rectangle?
Well, no, two equal sides.
Once you've formed the dough into a rectangle, starting with the narrow edge closest to you, roll it into a log and pinch the seams closed. Place in a long pan, but if you only have a short pan, turn the ends under to make the loaves fit. Place the dough seam side down into the greased loaf pan. Cover with plastic wrap or a barely damp paper towel or kitchen towel. Set the pans in a warm place and let the dough rise or proof a second time until doubled. It will take about 45 minutes to 1 hour depending on the room temperature and the type of yeast used. To hasten the rising or proofing process, heat the oven, turn off the heat, and place the dough in a warm but not hot oven. Remember, it will take longer to rise in winter.
Today?
Video.
A little higher. A little higher.
Bake loaves at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes until the crust is golden and the loaves sound hollow when tapped with your fingers. Remove the bread from the pans to racks. Brush with butter for a soft, more flavorful crust. Wait to cool, then slice and serve.
Dinner?
Hot.
And the bread is the best.
Thank you.
This is good. Even the dog likes the bread.